Okay, so relationship between total utility and marginal utility. So total utility, first of all, what is total utility? That is TU. And what is marginal utility? This is the one of the important questions, students. Sometime it will come for 4 marks or 5 marks. Okay. And the utility analysis, utility and marginal utility. So total utility means what? Total utility means refer to a aggregate of a utility. Aggregate means what? Total of utility derived by the consumer of all units of commodity consumed. Means what here? A consumer when consume all unit of a good means जब consumer सारे commodity consume करता है, so जितनी वो units के total होते, the total of all the utility, मतलब जितना उसे सेटिस्फैक्शन मिला है उस कमोडिटी को कंज्यूम करने के बाद, वो सारे सेटिस्फैक्शन मीन्स व्हाट, सारे यूटिलिटी का टोटल करना ही टोटल यूटिलिटी बोला जाता है. इट मीन्स व्हाट? टोटल यूटिलिटी मीन्स aggregate of the utility derived by the consumer consumed from all unit of a commodity. Aggregate of a utility. Always remember this part, aggregate of a utility. Whenever you are writing the answer in total utility, always remember aggregate of a utility. Now what is mu? Mu means what? Additional utility. Additional utility how? I will show you one table so you will understand. Now for example, here 10, okay, total utility is 10, marginal utility is also 10. Here my total utilities increase. Look at this. 18 हुआ कि नहीं? Here my total utility is 18. But what mu means what? Additional utility. Additional utility means what? First, in total utility, जितना मैंने means you can see here there is a 10. Okay. After 10 here it is 18. So if I minus 18 minus 10, how much, student? 18 minus 10 is how much? Yes, 8. So 8 is the additional utility. 8 is the additional utility. We can say, we can take an example of a pani puri. Okay, we can take an example of a pani puri. So first I take a one commodity of pani puri. I eat one pani puri. Okay, so I get 10 utility. जब मैंने एक पानी पूरी कंज्यूम किया तो मुझे 10 यूटिलिटी मिला. ओके, आफ्टर कंज्यूमिंग सेकेंड पानी पूरी, हाउ मच यूटिलिटी आई गेट? 18. मुझे कितना सेटिस्फैक्शन मिला? 18. सो फर्स्ट में हाउ मच आई यूटिलिटी आई गेट, स्टूडेंट्स? फर्स्ट कमोडिटी में आई गेट 10 यूटिलिटी, but afterward in second pani puri I will get 18 utility. Utility means what? Satisfaction. So यहाँ पे extra utility कितना मिला? Additional utility how much I get? 18 minus 10 is how much, student? 18 minus 10 is how much? 8. Yes. So 8 additional utility. तो यहाँ पे mu is what? Mu is 8. So mu is nothing but additional utility. First I got 10, but अभी मुझे 18 मिला. 8 additional utility मिला, ज़्यादा मिला extra utility. So mu is the additional utility derived by the consumer from an additional unit for a commodity consumed. It means when a person consume any commodity, first time उसने commodity consume की, satisfaction same रहेगा. But next time when he consuming any commodity, जब कोई इंसान when any consumer commodity consume करता है तो उसकी satisfaction rate जो है वो extra हो जाता है. तो the extra or we can say the additional utility is nothing but marginal utility. So marginal utility means what? Additional utility. Now we go to the graph. here look at this. Okay, this is the important thing. In the first commodity, okay, a person consume one commodity, so how much total utility he gets? When a person consume one commodity, how much total utility he get? Obviously 10. Yes, correct students. So total utility when he get 10, तो same marginal utility भी same ही रहेगा. In a first commodity, marginal utility हमेशा same ही रहेगा. जब भी when the person consume the first commodity, so total utility and marginal utility both are same. So if here is 10, then marginal utility भी 10 ही होगा. But when the consumer consume the second commodity, for example, I give you one dairy milk, okay? Then in that dairy milk, what you will do? You consume first bite of dairy milk, okay? We will make a one piece. I will show you. Or we can take an example of a mango, okay? I will give you one mango. You eat that mango. तो आपको utility कितना हुआ? 10. And marginal utility is also 10. In the second mango, in the second unit of a mango, you will get total utility 18. So student, 18 minus 10 is how much? 8. तो यहाँ पे the marginal utility is diminishing. पहले 10 था, but now it is 8. Afterward, in the third unit of a mango, his total utility is 24. So student, what I told you, you always do a minus. You always do a subtraction. So 24 minus 18 is how much? 24 minus 18 is how much? Yes, exactly, 6. So 6 is marginal utility. In the next commodity of a mango, that is 28. So how much the marginal utility is? What you will do now? Yes, exactly, Khushi. The marginal utility is 4. Now the next is 30. When I eat the fifth piece of mango, so my total utility is 30 in the fifth unit of mango. So my marginal utility is getting decreased. That is 2. The next is same. My total utility, मैंने सिक्स्थ कमोडिटी ऑफ मैंगो द सिक्स यूनिट ऑफ मैंगो भी कंज्यूम किया, बट मेरा टोटल यूटिलिटी सेम रहा एट द लेवल ऑफ सिक्स यूनिट ऑफ मैंगो. And here 30 minus 30 is 0. So what you will see here, when the total utility, I will show you just what you will see here in the fifth and sixth, the total utility is same. Total utility is same, 30 and 30. But when total utility is same at the additional unit, you can see it will be 0. It will be 0. Marginal utility will be 0. And at a certain stage, when total utility get decreased, यहाँ पे देखो, first of all it is 30, then it getting diminished. Diminished means what? It getting decreased. So 30 से it convert into 28. When I give you 7 piece of mango, so it is the total utility is 28 and the marginal utility is minus 2. It is in negative point. It is in the negative point. So minus 2, and that's why when the we can say that when the total utility started declining, you can see here first there is a 30, then it get decrease in 28. So at that time when total utility get decreased, the mu is in negative. Mu is in negative. Negative means what? Sometime it happens that कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर आपको कमोडिटी कंज्यूम करने दी जाए, तो आपको है ना एक टाइम आता है, एक लेवल आता है, दैट लेवल ना यू आर फीलिंग स्टमक एच. or you're feeling omitting. This is the mindset of a public, of a consumer, कि आपको जितना ज़्यादा explanation part also. Okay, but in exam you should go with explanation part also of a graph. So first look at this. On a y-axis, what we will see? Total and marginal utility. Yes. So on x-axis, what we will see? On x-axis, what we can see? Yes, exactly. Unit of a commodity. अगर y-axis पे total and marginal utility है, तो x-axis पे क्या है? Unit of a commodity. The next thing is what? X-axis measure. Just look at this. The y-axis and x-axis. Now we started with our graph. One by one we will go to each part, okay? In the first part you can see that okay. In the first commodity you can see that the total utility and marginal utility both are same. Okay, in the first commodity how much the total utility and marginal utility, students? In the first commodity what is the total utility and marginal utility? Yes, 10. Exactly correct. So here just look at this. Okay, just look at this. Both are same. Total utility is also same, marginal utility is also same. Now the next, in the second commodity, total utility is 18 and marginal utility is 8. So what I do? The upper curve is total utility curve, okay? This is the total utility curve and this is the marginal utility curve. So here, in the second commodity, the total utility is 18. Just look at this. This is the 18. Okay. So what is the marginal utility here? 8. तो बराबर 18 के सामने you should plot 8. In the second commodity, look at this. In the second commodity, what is the marginal utility? 8. So here we can see that when the total utility get increased, you can write in exams also. Point by point I am going. Okay. So first point में what we will write in exam? On x-axis, you can see on x-axis the unit of commodity measure, and on y-axis we can indicate total utility and marginal utility. Now what is your second point in explanation? Your second point should be total utility and marginal utility are same in the first unit of a commodity. You can see, I always told you, in the first unit of a commodity, total utility and marginal utility are the same. Now what is the third point? Now the third point is, as the total utility get increase, just look at this. As the total, first there is a 10, then it is 28. The total utility increase हुआ कि नहीं? But when the total utility get increase, marginal utility diminishes. Marginal utility will be diminishes. Means it started decreasing. Now we move to the next point. Just look at this point. In the fifth unit of commodity, the total utility is 30 and the marginal utility is 2. Just look at this. The total utility is 30 and marginal utility is 2. Marginal utility is 2. Look at this. After fifth commodity, marginal utility is also 30 and total utility is 30. So always remember, when when total utility is seen, utility will be 0. Now, जब भी marginal utility 0 आएगा, so that 0 is called as point of, okay, my voice is breaking. Now, when the marginal utility reached at 0, whenever, just look at the graph, student, whenever the marginal utility at the sixth unit of commodity, just look at this, the mu is 0, mu is 0, okay, and tu is 30. So whenever mu is 0, it is called as point of satiety. Whenever mu is 0, it is called as point of satiety, satiety. It is called as point of satiety. And whenever, now look at this, at the 7 unit of a commodity, at the 7 unit of a commodity, what happened? It is came in the negative. ये negative हो गया ना, mu turns into negative because at a certain level consumer able to consume the good. एक टाइम होता है तब तक ही कंज्यूमर गुड कंज्यूम कर सकता है, but after that he are feeling some stomach ache problem, vomiting problem. So negative, whenever the mu will be negative, look at this, ये है ना कर्व नेगेटिव में चला गया at the point of 7th commodity. So it is called as, whenever the mu is negative, it is called as disutility. This curve is called as disutility. So always remember, at a certain point, whenever the tu diminishes, whenever the tu diminishes, the next and last point is, whenever the tu is diminishes, mu is negative, mu will be negative, and that negative point is called as disutility. जब भी tu diminishes होगा, mu will be also diminishes, and that point, that negative point is called as disutility. So student, whenever the mu will be 0, तो at that point what we will called as, जब भी mu 0 होता है तो हम उसे क्या बोल सकते हैं? Whenever mu is 0, yes, exactly student, correct, point of satiety. जब भी mu, whenever the point, yes, satiety, point of satiety, okay, whenever the mu will be 0, it is called as point of satiety. And whenever mu is negative, it is called as disutility. Whenever mu is negative, it is called as disutility. Okay, so I hope up till mark all things are cleared. Okay, so the first is, whenever difference between total utility and marginal utility. One by one, we will go with each part. Now, what is the difference between both this part? We can see that here the sum total of the individual utilities written like this. But in this, what they are written, addition made by the total utility. खाली इतना ही difference है, there is only that much difference. In total utility, we can see sum total of the individual utility. But in the marginal utility, we can see additional made by the total utility from every additional unit consumed. So this total utility and marginal utility meaning you should learn. आपको learn करना बहुत compulsory है, it is mandatory. Okay, if you want you can put star mark in all the important question what I will told you कि ये important है, this is important, this is important, do a star mark over there. Now next is total utility increase at a diminishing rate. Whenever total utility increase, तो mu क्या हो जाता है, diminish हो जाता है या फिर increase हो जाता है? Whenever total utility increase, so mu will be diminishes. Yes, exactly, mu will be diminishes. No, it is not 0, it is diminishes. whenever what I told you, जब total utility, I will show you again. Okay, just look at this. Whenever total utility increase, पहले 10 था फिर 18 हो गया, तो increase हो गया ना, it will be increase. But marginal utility diminishes, marginal utility will be diminishes. पहले 10 था अभी 8 हो गया, तो ये डिक्रीज हुआ कि नहीं? तो whenever total utility increase, marginal utility will be diminishes. Now next is at the point of mu, at the point of satiety mu is 0. तो जब mu 0 होता है, okay, at the point of satiety means what? 0. mu is 0. When the mu is 0, तो tu कैसे होगा? सेम होगा, पॉजिटिव होगा या जीरो होगा? What is the position of tu, total utility? Okay, good, very good. So you can, yes, exactly. So you can see that here, yes, it is positive and same also. 30 and 30 both are positive and both are same here. Okay, so you can write कि whenever mu will be 0, whenever mu will be 0, so tu will be positive or same. Tu will be positive or same. Okay. Now, whenever total utility declines, देखो मैंने बोला था 30 था पहले, फिर 28 हो गया. Okay. Whenever total utility declines, तो mu is like, तो mu क्या होगा? It will be negative or zero. It will be negative or zero. Yes, exactly. It will be negative. Whenever total utility declines, क्योंकि एक टाइम होता है जब तक ही हम लोग कंज्यूम कर सकते हैं, but at certain point it started decline. Total utility is also decline और तभी जाके mu भी negative में होगा. And that negative mu is called as, that negative mu, marginal utility, is called as, yes, exactly, it is called as disutility. Whenever the mu is negative, means we can say the -2, so -2 is called as disutility. So negative mu को बोला जाता है disutility. Okay, so next is total utility. So now in that, marginal utility can be positive, negative and zero. But अगर मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी पॉजिटिव होगा, नेगेटिव होगा, जीरो हो सकता है, बट टोटल यूटिलिटी नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता और ना ही जीरो हो सकता है. टोटल यूटिलिटी विल बी पॉजिटिव और सेम. टोटल यूटिलिटी विल बी पॉजिटिव एंड सेम. यू कैन सी हियर, ये सारे जो यू कैन सी हियर, द नंबर्स ऑफ टोटल यूटिलिटी इज इन पॉजिटिव. यहाँ पे कोई भी आपको माइनस साइन दिख रहा है? नो. Total utility all can be positive. It always positive and same. We can also say same, but it never be negative or zero. Now they are talking about the graph. The total utility of graph is like this, then how the marginal utility graph? The marginal utility graph is like this. Yes. Okay, fifth row. Okay, okay, yes. Okay, total utility determines, decide the value in use of commodity. Now, total utility, what it decides? It decide about value in use of commodity. हम लोग जो commodity, what we